Hi, friends! Today's quiz is about birds. Are you ready? Is a penguin, which swims but can't fly, still a bird? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Even though it can't fly, penguin has feathers and lays eggs, so it really is a bird. Can an owl roll its eyes around to look sideways? Is it O or X? The answer is X. An owl can't move its eyes, so it turns its whole head to look to the side. Are a bird's bones hollow inside to make it light? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A bird's bones are hollow, making its body light so it can fly more easily. Can some birds sleep while they are flying? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Some birds fly for so long that they rest half their brain and sleep while flying. Does a bird chew its food with teeth? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A bird has no teeth. It grabs food with its beak, swallows it whole, and grinds it in its belly. Is a flamingo pink from the moment it is born? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A flamingo is born gray and slowly turns pink from eating pinkish food. Does an owl fly almost silently? Is it O or X? The answer is O. An owl's wing feathers are so soft that it can fly quietly without a sound. Can a hummingbird fly backwards? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A hummingbird beats its wings so fast that it can fly backwards and hover in place. Since a bat flies with wings, is it a bird? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A bat gives birth and feeds its babies milk, so it is a mammal, not a bird. Can an ostrich fly up into the sky with its wings? Is it O or X? The answer is X. An ostrich is too heavy with small wings, so it can't fly but runs very fast instead. You did great today. See you next time. Bye.